Hello and welcome to this new edition of Ask the Expert. My name is Dominic. I'm Sales and Product Manager for Part Optimization and Design Glasses here at TRUMPF. We're using simple means and intelligent part design to optimize parts and manufacture them far more efficiently and economically on machine tools for flexible sheet metal processing. So let's start with the first design strategy, eliminating welds. The most desirable welding seam is no seam at all. Keeping this motto in mind while scrutinizing components can save a lot of money. Replacing welded seams and spots with carefully designed bending is a true classic, but it's one that most companies really don't think about. In the case of simple holders, angles, stays, spacers, supports and similar parts, the potential is immense. From our experience, using bends instead of welds in small parts can cut manufacturing costs drastically. The strategy eliminating welds is quite simple. But to do so, first we need to identify a simple part with a join, like this former cut, bent and welded version of a door striker from our press brakes. The demands for precision in this part were minimal, but it does have to be sturdy. The trick in converting a welded design into a bent design is subdividing surface areas. After making the cuts, the component is in itself unstable and, in principle, acts like a large spring. Once it is mounted, however, the part will satisfy every requirement for stability and function. The redesign reduced the number of processes by 1/3. Cutting, bending and welding versus cutting and bending. And the costs were slashed by 35%. Hopefully you enjoyed this issue of Ask the Expert about design strategies. Thanks for watching and see you soon.